If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload my new video. You will get the notification, and do like and share my videos. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. This video is specially for engineering students, and in this video I am going to reveal 4 big mistakes usually the students will do in their 4 years of engineering life. So let's start. So those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my interesting videos. So I am going to explain the 4 big mistakes usually the students will do in the 4 years of their engineering. So, and also I am going to brief you out what are all the problems usually students will face if they do these 4 big mistakes. So in that first big mistake is, so many of the students will spend their 4 years of engineering life blindly without having a plan. So without planning they will spend their 4 years of engineering. So most of the students will mug up the academic subjects only for the sake of marks. So they will mug up the academic subjects and they will run behind the marks. Only for the sake of marks they will do, and they will spend their whole 4 years of engineering without planning. Next, the second biggest mistake usually the students will do, that is they will never ever concentrate on developing their technical skills. So usually what happens, industry people will ask skilled candidates and they will ask particular technical skills. So that's why it is very most important that you should learn some technical skills also, but usually many of the students will do this big mistakes. So industry requires skilled candidates, industry never requires unskilled candidates. This you need to keep in mind. The third biggest mistake usually the student will do is when it comes to internship program. See, most of the universities has introduced an internship program, and that too mandatory they have made. So only for the sake of marks many of the students will approach consultancies or any of the small scale industries only for the sake of certificate. So what they will do, they will get the certificate from some of the agencies or some of the consultancies, they will submit it to the colleges and they will get some of the marks. So again the student will run behind the marks even when it comes to an internship program. So this is the third biggest mistake usually the student will do. Next, the fourth biggest mistake usually most of the students will do is when it comes to academic project. So many of the students will buy the ready-made projects from some of the consultancies or from of the agencies. So this will create a big problem in their career. So these are the 4 big mistakes usually students will do. So next I am going to reveal what are all the problems you will face if you do these big mistakes. So once you complete your 4 years of engineering, next you will prepare your own resume, right? You will prepare your curriculum vitae. So in your resume you are going to add up your all the academic details about your technical skills, about your internship program, and also about your final year project, right? So once you prepare your resume, you are going to attend an interview in any company. So interviewer will ask you some of the questions based on your academic subjects. So you need to answer all those, but if you have mugged up the things, it is very difficult to answer you the questions. So how you need to understand the concepts? So for that I have made a separate video. If you really want to watch that video, you just click this I button, you will get that video. So it is so if you have mugged up the things, so it is very difficult to answer you the questions whatever he will ask you based on the academics. So that is one point. So next problem usually the student will face about their technical skills. So when the interviewer will ask about his technical skills, so definitely if he would have learned the particular technical skills during his academics, definitely he will answer the question. If he has not learned the particular technical skills definitely he will fail to answer the question of an interviewer. So next, the interviewer definitely, if you have done an internship program, definitely interviewer will ask you about the internship program. Again, if you have done an internship program, if you got only the certificate, definitely it will create a big problem for you. The interviewer will think that you have not done anything in your internship program. So again, you will fail in the interview. Next, definitely interviewer will ask you about your academic project. So if you have done that academic project by your own, definitely you can pass in an interview. So if you have not done by your own, definitely you will fail in an interview. So these are all the problems usually most of the students are facing in the interview. So what those mistakes they have done in their 4 years of academics. So the reason behind this video is to make awareness to the students about their mistakes usually the students will do. So if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and do share this video to your friends so that your friends will get advantage of this video. Thank you.